how to balance chemical equation. Okay, so first I have one unbalanced chemical equation is H2 plus O2 is equal to H2O. First step is to compare the number of atoms in the both the sides, in reactant and in product. Look, the number of atoms for hydrogen 2 and number of atom for oxygen is 2. Here number of hydrogen is 2, which is equal to the reactant also, but number of atoms for oxygen is 1. So to balance the unbalanced chemical equation, we have to increase the number of oxygen in product. Now students, but for balancing this equation, look here, the compound, what is written here? H2O. H2O. Okay, here the ratio, it is a formula for water. Here the ratio for this compound is 2:1. Okay, if there is a 2 hydrogen, also one oxygen, and if there is a 1 oxygen, it also has 2 hydrogen in the compound. So if we will increase the number of atom of oxygen, if we will do 2 here, then it will, the formula is H4O2, because if we will increase the number of atom of for oxygen, it also increase in hydrogen. Okay, because it is a 2:1. Here if we increase this 2, then here is also 2 more hydrogen, then the number of atoms for hydrogen is 4:2. Now the formula is H4O2, but it is the not formula for water. We cannot change the compound formula for water like this. We always have written water in the form of H2O. Then what will we do? Therefore we have to write 2H2O. Okay, what it means? Here it means this 2 represents the number of molecule. Here we have 2 molecule of H2O. It means we have 2 molecules, means H2O, 1 molecule and another H2O. So in this way we have here 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogen, and 1 plus 1, 2 oxygen. So it is the formula for balancing the chemical equation, and therefore we have to write H2 plus O2 is equal to H2O is written in our chemical equation. For balancing it, we have to increase the number of atoms for oxygen and hydrogen here. Okay, and therefore they also, look, this 2 is also for hydrogen and also for oxygen. So we have 2 2 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. Here also, okay, here we have 2 oxygen. Okay, but here we have only 2 atom of hydrogen, and that is why we have to increase again the number of atoms for hydrogen. Now it is 2 2 4. So in this way we can write 2H2 plus O2 is equal to 2H2O. In this way we can balance the unbalanced chemical equation. Remember that we cannot change the formula of compound. Okay, now students, let me give you one another example for it. Now look here, CuO is equal to Cu plus O2. Here it is a decomposition reaction, that is why reactant is 1 but the product is 2. Here we got 2 products here. Copper oxide is equal to copper plus oxygen. Now count the number of atoms here in the reactant. We have copper 1 and oxygen 1 atom, and here copper is 1 but oxygen here 2. So students, first of all you have to look the number of atom for copper is in the both the sides are equal, but number of oxygen is different. Okay, what it is? Okay, look here. For if we are talking about compound, CuO is written here. It means 1:1. If there is a 1 copper, there is a 1 oxygen. Okay, if we increase the number of oxygen, because we cannot decrease it, so if we want to balance it, we have to increase the number of atom for oxygen from 1 to 2. So if we will do 2 oxygen, so we need 1 more copper also. Okay, similarly what we have just learned about water also. Okay, now so again I am writing our equation. CuO is equal to Cu plus O2. So if you want to increase the number of oxygen here, we cannot write CuO2 here, because the compound is CuO, 1 copper 1 oxygen. If there is a 2 oxygen, 2 copper also we want. So that is why I am writing 2 in front of copper oxide. Okay, why? Because in this way it shows me CuO and CuO, 1 oxygen with 1 copper, second oxygen with second copper. So in this way the formula is 2CuO, 2 copper oxide. So now we have 2 atom, okay, 2 atom of copper and 2 atom of oxygen. Here also we have 2 atom of oxygen, but we have 1 atom copper. So we have to write here 2. So now this is your balanced chemical equation. Now count the number of atoms again. How many copper we have in this reactant? 2, and oxygen also 2. Here number of copper we have 2 and oxygen 2. So in this way here the number of atoms in reactant and number of atoms in product both are equal, and that is why this is called your balanced chemical equation. 2CuO is equal to 2Cu plus O2. Okay, thank you.